Why does my JavaScript code get a no access control allow origin header is present on the requested resource error when Postman does not? I am trying to do authorization using JavaScript by connecting to the RESTful API built in Flask. However, when I make the request, I get the following error. XML HTTP request cannot load HTTP: //my_api_url/login. No access control allow origin header is present on the requested resource. Origin null is therefore not allowed access. I know that the API or remote resource must set the header, but why did it work when I made the request via the Chrome extension Postman? This is the request code. If I understood it right, you are doing an XML HTTP request to a different domain than your page is on. So the browser is blocking it as it usually allows a request in the same origin for security reasons. You need to do something different when you want to do a cross-domain request. A tutorial about how to achieve that is using CORS. When you are using Postman, they are not restricted by this policy. Quoted from Cross-Origin XML HTTP request. Regular web pages can use the XML HTTP request object to send and receive data from remote servers, but they are limited by the same origin policy. Extensions aren't so limited. An extension can talk to remote servers outside of its origin, as long as it first requests cross-origin permissions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.